So I'm going to IKEA today to check out all the Christmas decorations, Christmas products, all that stuff. Gonna grab some lunch as well, which I'm looking forward to, and my outfit today is a choker. This is my Heron Preston top you guys have seen many times before. Same bag you've seen before. And then my weekday jeans. I still need to grab my shoes. I've got my hair up, kind of partially up in a scrunchie. It's my black velvet scrunchie. I love going to IKEA during the Christmas time and checking out all the Christmassy things. I am a quarter Swedish, so because I have Swedish background, I grew up eating a lot of traditional Swedish things and being surrounded by Swedish culture. So I do like to see those things at IKEA, you know, just like getting back to my roots, you know what I mean? Alrighty, I'm gonna get going and I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so I just arrived at IKEA and this is my lunch because they didn't have the veggie balls. Don't really know why, maybe because it's a Thursday, but chips will have to do. Oh my god, so cute. Little cinnamon roll. Oh yes, I just threw out all my cookie cutters because they're all rusty. That little mushroom, I'm getting it. I'm getting that mushroom. Where is it? Where's the mushroom? Where's the mushroom ornament? Where is it? Where is it? Where are they? They're so cute. I think battery powered little lanterns. I really want to get these. I had to pull these off the tree and they sold them to me as is for only $4. What's the day today? Some tortoises live for over 150 years. I wanted to show you guys my little afternoon snack of the day. It's Christmas Eve. I've got my snowball cookie. I got this from a bakery called Nutty. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be nutty. I don't know how it's, anyway. It's a gluten-free bakery and they have all these really good vegan things. This one isn't as domed and like snowball-like as the first time I had it. It's a little flatter, but they are so good. I love these. And then I have a gingerbread truffle and of course my favorite Christmas tea, which I filmed for you guys the other day when I was having some of the Stollen. I've got it in my Starbucks holiday mug. This is a really old one though. This is from like ages ago. I don't even remember when. And we're about to watch episode 4 of The Mandalorian, which we have been loving. It is so good. Hello there! Today we are doing some Christmas wrapping. It's actually the same day. One of my favorite parts about Christmas, gift wrapping. I love it. I got a bunch of orders that just came in, Christmas gifts that I need to wrap. Got my buddy Kylo here to help me out. I went and saw Rise of Skywalker recently and then we were watching The Mandalorian and I was thinking, where's my little Lego Kylo Ren? And then I found him. I don't know if you guys remember him from my Instagram story. Maybe, I don't know, not too long ago. He lights up. Very cute. Yeah, he was just in my pocket. Okay, let's get wrapping. Let it go. That is all I'm gonna do for today. I made a small dent in all the wrapping I need to do, but there you guys go. Hey guys, and Merry Christmas. Here's my outfit of the evening for Christmas dinner. I'm wearing this pleated dress by Misguided, I think. I'll link it below. I got it on ASOS. It's very like 60s, 70s mini dress. It's really cute. I've got my hair in this bow barrette. Originally, I was wearing one of those oversized headbands. I'll insert a photo here. It looked good in the photos, but I don't like how it looks in real life very much, so I decided to switch it out for the bow just for tonight. I'm wearing my Bauble Bar choker. This is very cute and festive. I've got my loafers on, although I'm not sure how I feel about the black loafers with this look. So, I don't know, I'm gonna maybe switch it out for some other shoes. These are my rings for tonight, and that is tonight's look. Let me know in the comments what kinds of things you guys like to wear for Christmas, because this one's nice and comfy so I can eat. It's not gonna dig in at the waist, which I feel is like the ultimate. So excited for dinner. I'll see you guys there.